Hi everyone, if you're doing Geo project installing laminate or vinyl flooring, very easy to install square room. If no any doors, no any casings, just square. But if you have on your way any door frame, it will be a little bit problem because if you don't have any experience. So this is the very simple things how to do it. All joints under the casing should be under the casings. Just you can pass a little bit into the closet for easy to lock it. You see, so if you're doing installation like on this video, you have to install this board under the casing backwards and then finish this line. Very simple. So you have to just follow what I showed you, and other lines you're doing with regular installation, and then in other casing you're doing backward installation. So just have a look at this video and you will be understand how to make it fast without any problems. I speed up this video because if it's original track it will be around 25 minutes. You can make it slow in video settings, but I guess everything just here is easy to understand. I have a bunch of videos how to pass the door, how to come from the hallway to the room without any transition. So I will put it in description, a link to this video, so you can, if you have different layout, you can have a look on it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I will always answer you. See you in next video.